Well, yesterday we made it up to 89 degrees, so that won't go on the books for a count of 90-degree days. We were close, but not quite. 98 was the record high yesterday. That was set back in 1950, by the way. Our record low, 1996, it was 45 degrees. So when it comes to 90-degree days, we've seen 18, which means just 4 days so far this month have been below 90 degrees, and yesterday barely was one of those days. On our 30-year average, we've doubled that, so typically we see around 9 90-degree days in the month of October. 39 years since 1887 with no 90-degree readings, but the last time that happened was 1967. Last year was the record, 20 days, so odds are we're going to break that record. You'll see that in our temperature pulse graphic. What you're going to notice is today and tomorrow we have a good chance of tying the record. Now Saturday may be a little bit cooler because we are tracking some rain on Saturday. Then as we continue to look ahead, we still have some 90s on the board. 3 more 90-degree days possible before we potentially see a cool down heading into the second half of the week ahead, which is Halloween week. This is the low pressure system that's going to give us a chance of rain. We'll talk more about this system in detail coming up, but what I want to get to is the trough that gives us a chance for cooler weather next week. So for your Halloween outlook, we've been saying there's a chance of a cold front. Now this particular setup does not have quite as strong of a reading of colder temperatures making it into South Texas, because what you're going to see is the low pressure system that brings in the cooler air. The more direct forcing is going to target areas across the southeast closer to the east coast than like Louisiana and East Texas or South Texas. So we really want the center of this trough to be closer to us to get the big change in temperature, and right now it's trending away from that. So that's a trend we're going to continue to keep an eye on. We'll break down everything you need to know for those weekend rain chances coming up as well. Barbie John Thomas.